I'm Tirzie Elise, the founder and CEO of Connect Hub. I have opened a new branch called We Create. You connect, we create. And here at We Create, we're offering courses that are inspiring and exciting and socially connected, just catered for your kids. I'm passionate about education and getting it right for kids. Let's find out a little bit more about these courses. We are reimagining learning. Learning reimagined is our strapline we create. And this is where fun meets education. We know that the brain is desperate to learn and it's continually learning. But we also know that it doesn't learn boring stuff. And it's always seeking risk experience, playful experience, and meaningful ones. And it wants to hook new learning and new concepts onto what it already knows. And that's how long-term learning is embedded. And we're providing just that in the 6 to 12-week courses that we're beginning to offer from the 1st of June. In these courses, your kids will learn the real stuff that's really needed for the world today. And I'm not talking about things that they're going to test into, but I'm talking about stuff that's actually going to give them the skills they need when they enter into the world of work. And they're also going to be the ones that are leading the learning, because if you are the one that drives your learning, you'll be more motivated. And when you're motivated, the brain awakes and fires up. And when it's firing up and making those connections, that's when long-term and embedded learning happens. So that's what we're going to be creating in our all-you-can-learn buffet of courses. And they'll leave with a product. And guess what? They're going to be trained and taught, and the learning is going to be facilitated by experts, people who are accredited in their field and have already produced a lot of amazing stuff that they're going to come share with your kids. We've got people who will be doing performing arts, video making, film making, video game design, actually learning the coding of how to create your own video game. We've got experts in sustainability and recycling who are going to help your children take junk and turn it into cool stuff. And the process of all the little steps that have to be gone through have amazing learning content, whether it's literacy, maths, science, and so much more. So why choose us? Well, like I said, we've got experts that are going to lead these courses and facilitate this learning. We've got real meaningful learning experiences where the kids can engage in current and relevant topics that are happening in their community and in their world. And like I said, they will develop the skills they need for the future. And here's another great perk. If you're here for the summer and you have to work and you need time where your kids can be busy doing something so you can focus, we've got our You Connect co-working space just up the road. 6-minute walk away, and there you can be part of the community and exciting elements of what your children are learning. So sign up here today, send me a message if you want more information, and visit our website because there's so many courses to choose from. Join our buffet, let your kids select and dip in when they want, and also you don't have to do the full course every week. If you want to go away on holiday for a little bit and then come back and start it up again, that's okay. Because remember, we're starting at what we know and we're using our own interests to build on it from there. So give us a call. You don't want to miss this offer this summer. It's a first of its kind and it's going to be amazing. I can't wait to see you there.